Cat in the Hat, and I'm here today to show you a good time while your mother's away. Check this out! Wow, look at us! We're having such a fun time!
It's so loud.
Oh,
I know,
that's
right?
their grandfather's ashes. Put that down this instant.
And who might you be, you little fucking fish bastard? You little fishy cunt? Who might you be, my little fishy fuck? Fuckies fucking suck? I'm gonna fucking suck the fish. I'm gonna put the fish in my cock hole.
Well, I'm the family fish, you see.
Wait. Whoa. Hey, what is he on? What is he on?
He said, you little fishy fuck.
I'll put this little fish in my cock hole.